Hey guys, it's Mrs. Ciccone here, and I have your weekly how to do the assignments for this week, for the week of May 26th, planned instruction. So check out our goals here. Goal number 1 is to complete both assignment 1 and assignment 2, which are due June 1st. So if we scroll down here, this is assignment 1 right here. And if we scroll down farther, this is assignment 2 right here. All right, second goal is to watch the virtual classes and catch the Easter eggs that I've embedded in the videos. So you can catch those here by clicking on the links here. This first video I created is on resilience, and the second video is on the topic of succession. So those probably don't make a whole lot of sense right now, but hopefully after you watch them, they'll make a whole lot more sense and will help you with both of your assignments. So you might want to do that first before attempting your assignments. Okay, Mrs. Ciccone, myself, I am having my baby this week. So that means that I will probably be in the hospital and will not be able to do our virtual Zoom sessions. So what I'd like for you to do is, in lieu of that, I want you to make sure you stay in contact with me. I will be checking my email, cciccone@hbgsd.us. And if you catch those Easter eggs, I want you to type your responses down below. What Easter eggs did you find in those videos with your answers to the Easter egg questions, all right? So assignment 1 is on ecological succession, and it's through Edpuzzle. And the last time I posted Edpuzzle, some of you may have recalled, we had some glitchy problems because Mrs. Ciccone didn't realize that there is a different link for every class. It's beautiful because Edpuzzle links directly, it syncs up directly to Google Classroom, but what that does mean is each class has an individual link. So if you're in my Core 1 class, you know who you are, then you're going to use this link right here, okay? All you have to do is make sure you are signed into your Google Classroom account, and then you can click this link. It will take you out to Edpuzzle. Now this side looks a little bit different because it is my teacher account, so you won't have the grade book or my classes, because that's the teacher side, but it will take you, all you have to do is click on that link and then just hit the play button. And then as you're watching the video, it will pause the video at these little water droplet areas here. You can see they kind of look like little raindrops, upside down raindrops. And it'll ask you a question, a multiple choice question, which you will answer, and then your responses get recorded. I can see whether you've watched the video or not, or whether you've attempted the questions and how many times. So make sure you're doing your work, because I can tell if you are not, okay? So again, just to recap there, make sure you are logged into your Google Classroom account. You're going to click on the link. So if you're in my Core 2 class, you're going to click this link. If you're in my Core 3 class, click this link. If you're in my Core 4 class, click this link. Otherwise, it will not work for you, okay? That's it for assignment 1. Assignment 2, a little drawing assignment. Now, if you don't like drawing, there is an alternate we can discuss. What we're going to do is you're going to read page 104 to 105 in your online textbook. I have the information here. You're going to click on that link. So let's go out there. Okay. So make sure it's United States is your country, state Pennsylvania, Harrisburg School District. Our school is Roland School in Harrisburg. And you're going to type in your username. Your username is going to be your student ID number. Remember, your student ID number is the first part of your email that you use to log into your Chromebooks. And then your password is going to be textbook with a capital T. All right, so that should get you into your online textbook. And I want you to read page 104 to 105, which I've assigned to you. It's on primary and secondary succession. After you read about that, you should be able to draw the process of primary succession, or if you so choose, secondary succession. You can email me a picture, cciccone@hbgsd.us, or attach it to the assignment. I want all of your assignments sent through Google Classroom, all right? And make sure you hit submit after you are done with your assignments, okay? Because otherwise it looks like missed work and I don't know whether it's ready for me to grade or not. So I need for you, make sure that when you are done to hit submit. Whatever you type into this document, I'm making you a copy. So whatever you type into this document, I will see. It gets shared with me. You don't need to send me anything additional. So that's that, okay? The alternate assignment is in your own words. You could describe the main differences between primary and secondary succession. Include at least 3 differences. So if you're not crazy about drawing, then that's an alternate for you. These are additional resources for you to check out. So if you're not able to access the textbook for whatever reason, that's okay, no sweat. You can watch these different video links and I'll give you similar information as well there. And again, I posted the links to our class videos that I want you guys to watch this week in lieu of the Zoom sessions, so that way you guys can earn that full participation for your fourth quarter progress report. I hope you guys have a great day and make sure you check out those videos. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email or send a message on Class Dojo. Also, when you put comments on Google Classroom, it sends me an email, so that way I know to check out Google Classroom. So feel free to comment there as well. All right, thanks guys. Have a great night or morning, whenever you're watching this.